Hello, my name is Alex Günsche. I'm from the organization Protect Privacy e.V. in Deutschland, and I'd like to talk about our work. Some of you may know us. Sorry, the slides are in German only because I prepared them in German, but as I see there are so many English guests, I will hold my talk in English. Many of you may know us from againsttcpa.com. It's a platform which occupied with trusted computing quite early. It's very famous on the internet maybe. And if you know the term TCPA and maybe enter it into Google, you might find out that we are on top. So we have quite lots of information about that topic, and we are occupying with that. Why do we occupy with trusted computing and other topics in this thing? As I have written in German, IT is mostly an area free of law, or as a famous quote says, code is law in cyberspace. Considering that, you know that many users today have computers, they use them, and they are on the internet, they put lots of money into it, they do online banking and so on, but they have no sense for security. And that's why they need to have a bit more security, and that's why firms like IBM, Microsoft think they have to give their definition of security to the users. We are an organization who want to show the lawmakers or Gesetzgeber, which are the legislative part of the government, and the IT, that they have to take their Verantwortung?
Responsibility.
Bitte?
Responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility, right. That they have to take the responsibility, and we want to clear up users about what is security and how they may protect themselves. The topics of our organization are most important, trusted computing. Furthermore, we occupy with RFID, which may be a term for most of you too, and digital privacy, which is more like privacy on the net, but we do occupy with all kinds of privacy. But mostly, as we said, on trusted computing. We have been working on documentations on the topic because many of the informations to have on the internet are quite old, are polemic and so on. As I wrote once again, against TCPA may be one of them because we have quotes from Ross Anderson, you may know, but they are quite good documentations, but they have facts in them which are simply not true. Or they are a bit exaggerated because they assume facts which are not actually given. We are putting together facts which we have researched from sources from IBM, from Microsoft, HP and so on. We have been reading documentations of known scientists. Okay, Ross Anderson too, he's not too bad, of course. But also of people have made documentations more in technical sense about trusted computing. And so you may find on our platform, www.protectprivacy.org. Now we have launched a new version yesterday, and it's only 2 documentations by now. English, they will follow. But you are anyway invited to take part in our forums, to come to our mailing lists, to participate in our web chat. And we would very much appreciate if you would come, inform at our place, and maybe even help us by maybe translating text or sending us links, providing more information, telling us who talks when about trusted computing, and would be very fine to support our work and spread the word about trusted computing and technologies that don't only affect the users who know about it like us maybe, but every user. Thank you so far. Are there any questions?
Any questions? Yes, please. Can we have a microphone? Or can you go to the micro, please?
Or tell me, I'll repeat it. Sorry, once.
Please use the mic. Please use the mic. Thank you.
From the research you've done, who or what is the biggest threat to privacy so far?
The biggest threat
Biggest threat to privacy
concerning trusted computing, or what do you mean?
on all the areas of work that you're doing?
You mean trusted computing, or do you mean privacy in...
Both.
Yes, our main topic is trusted computing. There are many threats to privacy from different directions, such as RFID, for example, or data mining in all kinds. It surrounds us, but there are other organizations who occupy with this aspects of privacy invasion, and our main topic is trusted computing. So if you'd ask me, I wouldn't be able to tell you what is the most infringing act of against privacy, but our topic is trusted computing. So we occupy with all, but we don't evaluate them. See, if that was your question, I don't know. Is that an answer to your question? Sorry, but I come down. We may talk about that. Okay. Thanks so far.
Okay. Any other questions? Thank you.